Hello everyone, this is introduction of correct seams in VMP software. Select the correction first on the Seams tab page in the Properties area and set the display content. Calibration means set the calibration switch on to make the screen apply the calibration effect made by the calibration platform. Brightness means adjust the display brightness. Image means set which color or image the screen displays. There are options like white, red, green, blue, and image. To display the image of current input source, click this and hold it. Next, select a correction mode. There are two modes. Tail seams means correct the seams of tails. Module seams means correct the seams of the modules. In the topology area, click and drag the mouse to select the seams to be corrected. Hold Ctrl on keyboard and click the seams can also work. Next, set the adjustment parameters. Quick adjust means adjustment with 5-step size. Fine adjust means adjustment with 1-step size. Head mark on screen means when it is switched on, use the keyboard shortcut and the cursor will not be displayed on the screen. Place the cursor on the scroll wheel and drag it up and down to adjust the brightness, or scroll the mouse wheel to adjust. Finally, after the adjustments, click Save.